Okay, guys, Bilal's gonna do a gameplay of Minecraft, Xbox 360 edition. So you're gonna go in,
Hamza Xbox.
and then we're gonna go
Who's this, man?
as ours. Go to the Apple World,
I don't know where
that black one, yeah,
This one?
yeah, not that, yeah, that one. Okay, survival.
And a bonus chest in here. And I fell down the stairs.
So we're gonna do it.
I heard it.
So guys, I'll be back. Okay, we're back. So, Minecraft. Just breaking some wood. Breaking a bunch of wood. Forward, yeah. Now make a crafting table. Yeah. No. Yeah, that. Place it down. Then. Get a pig. Get a pig. Kill that pig. Kill that pig. Shit. I get some more wood, yeah. And then make a, I think a sword, something. Wait, could you go to the big houses over there? Go to the big houses, yeah. Up there, go to the big houses.
No, I can't.
Can you?
No. Yeah?
Yeah, you can? Oh, okay. And is there a bow? What is in that chest? What's the chest, the bow? Yeah, I knew it, bow. Flame on, fire. There's gonna be fire in that bow.
What in this chest?
I don't know.
A sword?
What the? Iron sword. That's awesome.
Damn it, too. This alright. Oh, sword 2. 2 swords.
Chain.
Really sharp.
It says it's chain.
Chain.
Hey, let me see the word again. Is it stone? Oh, it's not chain, stone. Sharpens iron.
No.
Can't agree.
Yes, I can. Oh, I need to team it.
Yeah. In this video, we're gonna end this video at 5 minutes. Just to get the hang of the Minecraft controls. That's good. Wait, what is that? Bottom of it. Oh, bottom of it. Experiments. Well, how much did you get in there? 64? Is that 64? Yeah, that's 64.
I'm not playing.
That's good. That's my baby sister. She likes this game. Zara.
The moat.
I don't know.
I need crafting table.
I don't know where the remote is.
Yeah. Show me. Stop.
I don't know. Why do you cry? Stop crying. Almost done with this video, so stop crying. Why are you making armor? So it's almost done with this video?
No.
It's almost.
Little bit.
So that's it for this video, guys.
No, don't end it.
Why?
Because I will show a lot.
No, it's gonna.
Wait. I have to do something.
Wait, you're gonna break the wood, then done.
Wait, no. I need crafting.
Wait, guys, I will be back for a sec. Okay, we're back. So what are you gonna do? So you want to do something? What do you want to do? What are you gonna do? I thought you said you want to do something. Okay, what are you gonna do?
And second. Wait. I didn't get my food down then. Okay?
Okay, wait a sec. Okay, we're back. He wanted to show you
Wait.
what's these foods. So there's. They give you
Wait.
10.
No. Don't end it. I need to do one
I'm not ending it. I'm telling them. Okay, get some melons.
Then
You want to end this video at 10 minutes?
no, 11 minutes.
Okay, 11 minutes.
1. Not 11.
They could get, did you get a poisonous potato? Check. No, you didn't get a poisonous potato. Ha! You're gonna get those.
Get some food.
What does pumpkins?
Now what I just do? Let's break this first. Break the pumpkins. And make a snowman first.
We need some snow to make snowman.
Yeah. Can't help me to kill people. Bye-bye. Wait. Hun, end the video. Wait. End the video.
You're gonna end it?
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
But let me put a pumpkin on my head, too. Wait, I need to take my head.
Yeah, he's gonna put a pumpkin. Watch this. Ready, set,
Not
pumpkin head.
We'll end it.
Huh?
With a snowman.
Where does snowman go? Put your pumpkin head off.
I see.
I can't see. It looks weird.
Come here. I can see.
It's so weird.
Sylvia!
I can't see anything. Stop. Put the pumpkin head off.
Take.
Ow.
End the video.
So bye guys. That was it for this. What are you doing? So bye guys. That was it for this video. Minecraft gameplay. On the thing. Okay, go back.
No, end the video. I'm doing this.
No, go back. Do something. Like, remember the dance you wanted to do? Remember the dance?
Yeah.
Okay, take the pumpkin head off.
I need to make
The
it.
dance.
Wait, I need to take my character
Yeah. Change.
to this girl. You boy. What
No, that's a new one. Be the gingerbread man. Yeah, that one. That. Okay. That's it.
Wait. Let me be someone special. Oh.
So just gonna be back, guys. So this is the funny one he wanted to do. So dance. And the funny part, what do you want to show you? You want to show something to someone, right? And boom, 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 na. I don't know. Okay. So bye, guys. That was it for this video. And subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. It's gonna be a good video. A good gameplay of Minecraft. Bye. Say bye.
Bye-bye. Shaka Dokis.